The so-called free-range parents are back in the headlines this noon. Their two children, ages 10 and 6, taken into custody for the second time this year after walking by themselves in Silver Spring. Well, the kids are back home now, and as Jeanette Reyes reports, she talked to the parents who say the actions of authorities have left their children traumatized.
It's an odd assumption for any parent to make when their child suddenly goes missing, but it was a logical conclusion for Danielle and Alexander Métive.
It occurred to us that the police might have picked them up.
Métive's 6- and 10-year-olds were walking home from the park Sunday around 5 in the afternoon when someone they spoke with noticed they were alone. The children were picked up at the intersection of Fenton and Easley Streets by several police officers who were answering a 911 call. They were 4/10 of a mile away from home.
My son said, okay, you can walk us home. We're just, at this point, they were 2 blocks away. And they said, no, we'll drive you home. And they put the kids in the police car, and they kept them there for 2.5 hours.
At around 8, the children were taken to Child Protective Services in Rockville. Métive says her children are traumatized. But it's not her first run-in with the agency. Back in 2014, their parenting style, called free range, led to an investigation after the children were spotted walking alone. Back in March, the Métives were found responsible for unsubstantiated child neglect. The story went viral and sparked an international debate on the issue.
CPS has finally succeeded in making me terrified to let my kids out unsupervised because I'm afraid they're going to take them away. I never was scared of strangers.
Métive says CPS made her sign a temporary safety plan. She must not leave her children unattended until they follow up. She's hired an attorney.
The people who say that it's dangerous and the world is different have frankly been watching too much TV.
Reporting in Silver Spring, Jeanette Reyes, ABC 7 News.